Hi, I'm Laia. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to crochet this cute flower with Tunisian stitch. Okay, let's get started. First, we need to crochet the flower heart part. Start with the magic ring. Work on 5 single crochet in the magic ring. Mark the first single crochet, pull the tail end to close the ring. For the row 2, 1 slip stitch to join the row 1, 1 chain stitch to start row 2. In row 2, work on 5 increase. One slip stitch to join the row 2, 1 chain stitch to start row 3. In the row 3, work on 1 single crochet, 1 increase. Repeat the pattern until you have total 15 stitches in the row 3. One slip stitch to join the row 3, then cut the yarn. We start to crochet the petal. For the petal, chain 5. Turn back and we will see the back note of the chain. For petal, we always work on the back note. Draw up the back loop of total 5. Include the first loop, you will have total 6 loops on your hook. Turn to the front, go into the foundation stitch. Yarn over, pull through. Now have total 7 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Continue to doing that. This is a kind of Tunisian stitch. In the next row, we need to increase 1 stitch, so chain 1. Now you will see the back note turn up. Draw up the back note of these 6. Go into the same foundation stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now you have total 8 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Keep doing that. Okay, now finish the row 2. For the row 3, keep the same stitches. Draw up the back note of 6. Go into the next foundation stitch, yarn over, pull through. Then pull through 2 loops in order. For the row 4, we're doing the same. Go into the same foundation stitch at row 3, then pull through 2 loops in order. For the row 5, we're doing the same. And join the row 5 in the next foundation stitch. Okay, for the row 6, we need to decrease 1 stitch, so we skip the first back knot and draw up the second back knot directly. We want to make our petal looks more nice, so tighten the yarn. You can see the first knot looks invisible. Okay, draw up the second back knot. Go into the same foundation stitch as row 5. Pull through 2 loops in order. Okay, we almost finished 1 petal. Then we work slip stitch to finish the petal. For the last slip stitch, join your petal in the next foundation stitch. Now you have a nice petal. You can see the chain stitch, row 1 and 2 in the first foundation stitch, row 3 and 4 in the second foundation stitch, row 5 and 6 in the third foundation stitch, and a slip stitch in the fourth foundation stitch to start the next petal. Repeat the pattern until you have total 5 petals. I will show you again. Okay, we finished the 5 petals. You can have chain stitch to create a strip. Or you can just ignore this step, just put the keychain ring on that, it depends on you. Crochet another flower and sew them together. Put the cotton inside. You can sew the strip inside the flower, or just like me, give a knot, then hide the yarn inside the flower. Okay, we finished. Now have a cute flower. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will continue to put the crochet tutorial on my channel. See you next time.